Hey guys, this is Lindsay Doe and let's talk unemployment. Today is May 2nd and I wanted to summarize what the California Labor Secretary, Julie Su, covered on her live session on Facebook. This video is sponsored by mechanicalkeyboard.com. Please click on the link provided in my video description. Secretary Su talked about the 13-week extension or PUC. She indicated that people who have exhausted their UI benefits and extensions between February 2nd and March 28th can be potentially qualified for PUA. They will receive starting May 2nd, this weekend and on to the next, they will receive a PUA award notice in which unemployment will send them additional documents to send back to the department to determine whether or not they qualify for PUA. Now, for those of people who exhausted their unemployment benefits before February 2nd, they may be eligible for PUA, they may not be. For those who are in the bracket from March 29th, the extension will be filed automatically. However, Secretary Su did indicate that they are still programming the extension, so please stay tuned. Secretary Su also touched on the issue of backdating. She realizes a lot of people were unable to access the EDD website in order to complete their unemployment application. She indicated that their claim will be backdated to when they lost their jobs or reduced earnings due to the COVID-19 and not when they actually filed. Therefore, if they're unable to reach the department until April and they were closed with their business starting March, they would be receiving benefits starting mid-March. Secretary Su also mentioned that because we are in a pandemic and people are experiencing hardship, people with penalty weeks may be eligible for PUA, and they will receive starting May 2nd a notice of PUA award, and they will have to send back documents in order to see if they qualify for PUA with losing their job or reduced hours due to COVID-19 related reasons. She also mentioned that this is a federal grant, and this was made for people who would not be receiving unemployment money or who does not have enough wages to establish their claim, whether on W-2 or 1099, in order to receive regular unemployment. They will now be able to apply for PUA and see if they qualify. Another confusion that she addressed was that PUA and the UI application is actually the same portal. All you have to do is to go on UI online and fill out the application. Your answers of yes or no would determine which path you will go to, which is the UI questions or the PUA questions. Because this is one application, some of the questions do not apply to self-employed 1099 individuals, such as who is your direct manager. If you're self-employed or a business owner, you do not have a manager, you can go ahead and indicate yourself with your phone number as your manager. In the PUA application, in the income that you have to report, she indicated that you must report your net income, not your gross. Another key point that Secretary Su addressed was that unemployment just posted up a UI online guide for people who are experiencing a lot of questions and not being able to contact the department. Another point she made was that you cannot get UI and PUA at the same time. If you work for a W-2 employer, they pay into your unemployment fund. Therefore, you must collect regular unemployment if you do qualify. Now, if you do not qualify for regular UI, or if you did not have a long enough history to establish your base period, that's when you can apply for PUA. PUA was created for those who traditionally did not qualify for regular unemployment, such as self-employed individuals with 1099s. If you apply before April 28th, you will need to reapply again for PUA. And PUA and UI is the same portal. Again, it is the same application, and depending on your answers, it will lead you to the UI pathway or the PUA pathway. After you finish your EDD application, the last page does indicate that you have to update your resume on CalJobs. However, Secretary Sue indicated that due to the pandemic, it's no longer required. The last announcement Secretary Sue touched on was about the PUA minimum requirement of $167. You will be paid $167 on phase 1 on starting 3/29 through July 25th. You will be paid $167 plus the additional $600 per week due to the CARES Act. After July 26th through December, the end of December, which is December 25th, if you are still unemployed due to COVID-19, you will revert back to $167 minimum. If the income information you provided indicates that you meet an annual earnings threshold of $17,368 or more, unemployment will work as quickly as possible to verify your income using 1099 or your tax return, and they will increase your PUA weekly benefit amount to more than $167. Unemployment will pay you the difference and backdate it to when you first qualified for unemployment due to COVID-19. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and share. I hope this video has been very helpful. Please leave me comments on which kind of video you would like me to cover next. I will be uploading every Tuesdays and Thursday, so please stay tuned. Good luck and have a great day. This video is sponsored by mechanicalkeyboard.com. Please click on the link provided in my video description.